All right, so for this one, guys, I'm going to show you how to put a graph onto your Pages document. If you have a Word document, you need to go watch the other video. All right, so I've made my table here. Your data is obviously going to not be the same as this. This is just purely made up data. But you see I've got trial number, I've got broom type, I've got amount of debris swept up. Now below this, so I'm kind of clicked here below it, I'm going to insert a chart just by going up here to the top and clicking this chart button. It's going to ask me what kind. Now for this, a bar graph will work just fine. Now, notice that this has got made up numbers in here. I'm going to click on Edit Chart Data to put in my data. Now, this has two different things, Region 1 and Region 2. Now, we only tested one type of variable, so we can actually go and we can take this second region and we can delete that out. And Region 1 is actually going to be our broom type. Okay, now I'm going to name my broom type. So instead of April, I'm going to have like kitchen broom. I'm going to have corn broom. I'm going to have renegade. I'm going to have synthetic push, and then natural push. All right, so those are, so notice that all I did is I just took my broom types and then I put them in as my labels. There we go. Okay. Now I got to put the actual numbers in. So I'm just going to copy my numbers. Obviously, your numbers will be different, and mine are just made up. So 300, 250, 475, 400, and 450. So I just copied my stuff, right? So you have to retype what was in here before, and that's fine. But now look, I've got kitchen, corn, renegade, synthetic push, natural push. I've got all that stuff there. I can close this, and it's not going to go away. Okay, now once I'm clicked on it, over here on the format sidebar, I've got all my other options. So right now, like, I'm going to take and I'm going to uncheck the legend because I don't need the legend. You guys know what stuff is. Like, I know what these things mean, but I do want a title. So I'm going to title mine. Your title might be different, but my title is going to be like broom type versus amount of debris swept up, just IV versus DV. Okay, other things, I need a label over here and a label over here, so I click back on it, I go over, I can change my font if I want, I can change colors if I want, I'm okay with all that kind of stuff, but I do, my axes need stuff, so for the y-axis, I want to add a name, and look at that, it popped in a name over here, so I go click on that, and I'm going to change that to amount of, oh no. What happened? It's okay. I can just put it back. Let's see. Amount of debris swept up, and I want to say that it's grams. All right. Oh, I stay clicked on here. Oh, what was that? Click back. There we go. Now I want to go to my, and I think all the other stuff. I mean, value label. You could go through here and change all that stuff if you wanted to. Label angle, you could change it to diagonals, and that'd be weird or whatever. What was it? It was left vertical. Ooh, I don't know if I like vertical. I think I like horizontal. Oh, yeah, there we go. Anyway, you can change all that stuff up. I like how it is now. Now I'm going to go to X, my X-axis. Notice that I don't have a name there yet. And look, so it pops in a name down here. And so I can type in broom type. If you have longer names, you can obviously go in here and you can change to like diagonal. Oh, look at that. It changes that thing up. I can add grid lines. I can do what. So you can play with all this stuff and make it look the way that you want. Make sure that it's got a title. Make sure it has both axes labeled. And now I've got a nice graph. If you have any questions about that at all, make sure that you come ask me and I can make sure that you make that thing look nice. Okay.